representing Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Yes! Ang queenly talaga. Paano yung pagkaway? Wow! Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nali.
For today's vlog, manonood pa rin tayo ng National Costume and Tourism video ng isa sa delegates for the Binibining Pilipinas 2024, the 60th edition. This time is Binibini 26. That's Phoebe Godinez from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Wow! Let's go!
Welcome to the historic resort city of Lapu-Lapu. Kuyugi ko ninyo as I tour you around in the beautiful Lapu-Lapu
Wow.
City.
Wow.
Located in an almost 800-hectare site in Lapu-Lapu City,
Siyempre,
it is considered
pride and
the
glory ng
second
Cebu.
busiest airport in the Philippines. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking
Wow.
ocean
Ang
views,
ganda.
walking in the sugar-fine white sands, the gentle sound of waves. Whether you choose a 5-star resort or a charming boutique hotel, Lapu-Lapu City offers accommodations that
Wow,
every take.
Yan pala yung sekreto nila sa Cebu, kaya't ang gaganda nila.
Maraming mga
Magandang
resort.
dagat, magandang resort, mga boutique hotel, ganyan.
Pero pag wala, tsaka din yun.
And Pepperidge. This site marked the Battle of Mactan in 1521, where Lapu-Lapu and his warriors triumphed over the Spanish explorer Ferdinand Magellan.
Iba rin kasi talaga yung sineselebrate na historic events and may culture talaga, Visayas.
In the reenactment of the Battle of Mactan in 2022. Incidentally, my Kadaugan national costume was
Nakapagpa-picture na ako
inspired by
dyan.
this Victorian
Saan?
event.
Yung may
It
Lapu-Lapu.
seems
sa
like
shrine?
walking through the park, I can almost hear the echoes of the past. The celebration continues in vibrant costumes and amazing dances during the Kadaugan sa Mactan, translated to Victory in Mactan. Built in the
I mean, mas swerte kasi yung mga ibang candidates na nakakakuha ng ganoong video. Anong tawag dyan?
Mga drone shots.
Yung mga videos na archive videos
oo.
coming from the LGU, ganyan.
Ibig sabihin sinusuportahan talaga sila ng ano. Which should be kasi, di ba, tulong din sa bayan nila.
Nuestra Señora Virgen de la Regla, or locally known as Virgen sa Regla, is said to be very miraculous. The center
Yung
of
ngiti
faith
niya talaga.
and devotion, where it draws thousands of pilgrims who come to celebrate and seek blessing. Right beside the church, you can find Lapu-Lapu Rizal Park. I enjoyed the park with my nieces and neighbors. Their warm smile and innocence is just so
Nanguha talaga si
inspiring.
ate ng mga kapitbahay na
For adventure seekers, Mactan Island is a paradise for water sports. The crystal clear waters
Grabe, ha?
to enjoy it. Whether it's jet skiing,
I mean, it's meant for ano
and
talaga.
other water sports, the island offers
Foreign,
a lot of
tourism.
activities to get your adrenaline pumping. I'm a certified scuba diver. When I'm in the water, I feel like I'm in my element. Join me as I explore the waters of Maribago. Take the plunge, discovering the vibrant marine life beneath the waves. Why go far when you can see this amazing sardines run right here
Wow.
in Lapu-Lapu City?
At least
As an
na-preserve nila ng ganun yung kanilang marine,
pride in this
ano,
journey. Experience coral planting in Lapu-Lapu and existing reefs, stimulating recovery of these ecosystems. You'll find tranquility in Olango Bird Sanctuary, a haven for migratory birds.
Wow.
You can choose to stroll or bike around in the lush greenery, where the air is filled with various bird species. Lapu-Lapu is famous for fresh seafood and offers feasts for the senses. Come, visit Lapu-Lapu City. The historic resort city is not just an island.
Wow.
It's a journey
Historic
through
resort
time and
city.
nature.
kasi napapaligiran talaga yun ng mga resort, mga hotels.
Ako, si Phoebe Tudor Godinez, your Binibini 26, representing Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Yes! Ang queenly talaga. Paano yung pagkaway? Wow!
Eme. So, ayun, tama nga yung sinabi mo na Cebu, yung part na yun, Lapu-Lapu, Cebu, Mactan, ganyan, is meant for foreign tourists. Kaya nga yung mga turista, yung mga most of their tourist travelers are mga foreigners. Pabalik-balik lang sila, di ba? Na yung lugar nila is enticing for the foreign tourists.
Tourist, oo. At saka pag pinapanood mo yan sa yung mga foreigners, talagang ngayon tayo silang pumunta dyan. So, ang galing. Tsaka, yung buong city ng, kumbaga, Lapu-Lapu talaga, mukha na siyang Maldives or Mali, ganyan.
Hindi siya tama. Going to her national costume, ano ba yung nakakita mo inspiration niya?
Mukha siyang, warrior, ganyan, na
Like it was drawn after the 1521 na yun nga, yung
Battle of
Mactan. And the color is very Santo Niño.
yung dito, yung trail dito sa ano niya.
Yes. Nakikita ko ngayon is very simple siya dun sa kayang gawin ng mga Cebuano na mga national costume. Kasi ang gaganda talaga ng national costumes na galing ng Cebu, pabonggahan talaga. But we don't know exactly kung ano yung mga materials na ginamit. Siguro kapag sa picture, ganyan lang siya, simple lang siyang tingnan. Pero pag baka sa personal, maganda.
Or, kasi, di ba, yung mga ibang gowns or costumes na ginagawa, meant for like yung couture talaga. Ito kasi, it feels like para siyang cosplay material yung ginamit. So, I don't know how it will perform pag nasa stage na. Kasi pag sa cosplay talagang pag pangmalayuan.
So, ayan guys, and good luck pa rin kay Phoebe Godinez. Kudos to your tourism video. Ang ganda talaga niya and napaka-pleasing, enticing, inviting to tourists na bisitahin yung place nila. And ang reach lang talaga ng
Marine biodiversity.
ang reach ng Cebuanos.
Tsaka yung marine tourism nila na pwede kang lumangoy with sardines,
Ang daming activities na pwedeng gawin.
Oo. Kudos din to yung creator ng costume niya, si Rams Diacoma.
Ayan. So, thank you so much guys at sinawan niyo kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan, pabilisan ba to? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching and see you in the next video. Bye!